In this video, we will see how to download a particular scan's data. Let's start by clicking on a workspace and then click on Go to Scans. In here, you will see all your scans. Let's click on View All Scans. Now, you can click on all of your scans and then see the data in the sidebar. If you want to download a particular scan's whole data, which includes everything about the JS intelligence, everything that's there in the keys and secrets, all the JavaScript URLs, their IDs, created at fields, and every metadata that is saved, you need to click on the scan. In here, I have clicked on a file scan, which includes 16 JavaScript URLs. Now, there is an export button besides rescan. Click on this export button. It will export your file and save it to your downloads directory. In order to view the data, you can either view the data in a text editor, or like me, you can see the data in your terminal as well. Let's look at the data on the terminal. This is how the data looks like. It is going to give you all the data that's present in JS Intelligence, keys and secrets, and in the JS URLs. As we can see here, your URLs, the IDs, the domain name, and every metadata is present inside this JSON object. This particular object consists of 1454 lines, and if we'll see its size, it's something around 1.6 megabytes.